Hi, in this video, I will show you how to add money from Apple gift card to Apple Pay. So, important note, Apple gift cards do not add money directly to Apple Pay card. They add balance to your Apple ID, which can be used for Apple services. What you can use gift card balance for is App Store purchases, iTunes, music or movies, Apple subscriptions, iCloud storage, or Apple products online or on Apple Store. You cannot transfer it to bank, cash, or Apple Pay card. Now, steps to redeem gift card includes opening the App Store, tapping on your profile photo, tapping redeem gift card and use your camera or enter code manually. Confirm it and balance will be added to your Apple ID. Now, I'll tell you how it works with Apple Pay. Gift card balance is used automatically at Apple checkout. Apple Pay will charge gift balance first, remaining amount is charged to your card. If you want money in Apple Pay card, you must add money from bank card or receive money from another Apple Pay user. Gift cards cannot convert to cash. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.